How to create sticker on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create sticker on Instagram story. So this is the latest updated features. So let me just get inside the story section, and then let me just click one random picture, and here on the top you can see the sticker icon. Simply click on it, and here you will get one option that is create. So if you click on create, and if you wanna create a sticker, you just need to select one picture here. So let me just select a picture. Just hold on, I'm just selecting a picture. Okay, let me just select this picture, and here you can see uh, it's creating story. You can see here, just hold on, it will automatically create a sticker. You can see, just click on use sticker, and then just hold on, it will automatically create a sticker on Instagram story. You can take anyone's photo. You can see here, it's pretty cool. You can see. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.